Imagine being one of the India's most loved premium airline, flying business travelers, celebrities and international passengers and still losing the war to a low-cost airline that focus on one simple thing, that is discipline. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you very much. This is the story of Jet Airways, a company that once represented class, comfort and trust in Indian aviation, but finally suspended operations on April 17, 2019 because it did not have enough funds to continue flying. And this is also the story of Indigo, which showed Indian investor one brutal truth. In airlines, brand image is not enough. Unit economics decide survival. Jet Airways was not a small or unknown company. It had strong brand recall, premium service, international routes, loyal customers, and a powerful position in Indian aviation. But here is the shocking part. A passenger may love your service, but if every flight is not earning enough after fuel, lease rental, salaries, airport charges, maintenance, interest cost, and competition, then the business slowly starts bleeding. And in aviation, bleeding does not remain small for long. Jet's model was built around premium services, full services operations, multiple aircraft type, international expansion, and higher operating complexity. This look powerful from outside, but complexity increases cost. More cost means higher fares are needed. When low cost carrier like Indigo starts offering clean aircraft on time services, simple pricing and cheaper ticket, the middle class Indian passenger asks one practical question. Why should I pay more for 2-hour flight? This is where the real story starts. Indigo did not try to look glamorous. It focused on being efficient. Simple fleet strategy, faster turnaround, high aircraft utilization, cost control, on-time performance, no unnecessary luxury. The message was clear. Give customers what they value most, which is affordable fares, punctuality and reliability. Even today, Indigo described its philosophy around affordable fares, on-time flights and hustle-free experience. Most investors completely miss this. A good product is not always a good business. Jet had a low product, but Indigo had a sharper business model. And this difference became deadly when fuel prices rose, competition increased and pricing power disappeared. Airlines are already a tough sector because fuel is a huge cost. Aircraft are expensive and demand can change quickly. So when debt enters this equation, the risk became even bigger. ICRA had noted that Jet Airways had a net debt of around 7,364 crore as on June 30, 2018, showing how heavy the balance sheet pressure had become before the collapse. Now think like an investor. If a company needs regular cash just to keep operating, but competition is forcing it to sell tickets at a lower price, then where will the free cash flow come from? This is why weak cash flow is more dangerous than weak profit in aviation. Profit can look recoverable, cash shortage can ground aircraft. And that is exactly what happened. Jet did not fail because Indians stopped flying. Indian aviation demand was growing. Jet failed because growth in the industry did not translate into survival for every player. The strongest player was not the one with the biggest brand story. It was the one with the strongest cost structure. But here is the final and most painful lesson. Jet Airways did not just enter insolvency after stopping operation. After years of attempted revival, the Supreme Court ordered liquidation on November 7, 2024. For investor, this case is not only about one airline. It is about every business where emotion hides number. A famous brand can still destroy wealth. A premium product can still have poor economics. A growing industry can still bankrupt weak companies. And a cheap looking stock can still become a trap if balance sheet is broken. So the next time when you study any company, do not ask only, is this brand famous? Ask, does this business makes money after all cost? Ask, can it survive pricing pressure? Ask, is debt under control? Ask, does growth create cash or consume cash? Jet Airways taught India that prestige cannot pay fuel bills. Indigo taught India that discipline can beat glamour. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment your opinion on Jet Airways versus Indigo. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.